bridge sets. Palm line on the floor. Go. Full man. Right? Sit up nice and straight. Hit me in the face, right? Pretend you just batter the hell out of the face. Yeah? Bam, 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 bam. Right, then give me a gap. Look, if I hit you in the face, I've got that. Yeah. I've got nothing behind me. It's not like I've rotated it, it's not like I've pivoted it. Right? Yeah. Go backwards. Push your hips up. Yeah? Now all I'm going to try and do from there is curl it in.
Well, it's not, I haven't got enough leverage.
There you are. I guarantee you, switch places. Right? Fight it. You know exactly what I'm going to do. Fight it. Right? Pull me back. Pull me back. Pull me back. Pull me back. What are you doing? You sitting up? Yeah. Right? So all I'm going to do is this. Ah, bitch! You sit back, I hold you down. You sit up, I hold you down.
You do like this video with your finger legs up because I don't know, man.
That's because I'm looking for the gap, right? Switch. You on top. I'm looking for the space, I'm looking for the point, right? You get hold of my arm, and I'm on the bottom. You're trying to bend my arm backwards, right? Keep pulling. Get hold of my arm. That's it, right? It's a perfect grip. Right, now lean back. I'm panicking like fuck. This is going to lean all the way back. Now thrust your hips up. On the balls of your feet if you want. There you go. Go, go, go. No, just thrust up. Right now concentrate on this arm. Yeah? So I'm going to do this. Yeah. Now I'm not concentrating on anything else. Look at that leg. That leg. That leg. Get it round my chin.
Get it round.
There you go. Pull me down. Lean back. Pull. Get your ass closer. Alright? Yeah. Put me in an arm back.
Like, I'm just round.
Yeah, just put it in. It's called hitchhiker's escape. So just going down the block. Go. Yeah. Come there. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to whoop. Hold me down. Bang. Alright, now you said we weren't turning that big punch. Right, now you're going to bring this leg around nice and fast, get this arm out of the way. Hold me down, bring your leg around. Alright, I'm going to make it easy, put that back. Put it flat, put this foot flat on the floor. Perfect, right? Push. Now all your body weight's going to go on here. Swing your leg around. That easy? Yeah. Right, from there, right, now look where my thumb is. Right? Yeah. All I'm going to do is this. Right? So my thumb's pointing upwards. I'm going to turn my thumb backwards and I'm going to rotate in that direction.
What's this basically rotating?
That's all I'm doing. But again,
that's why they call it the hitchhikers.
That's why they call it the hitchhiker's escape. There's a defence against the hitchhiker's escape. Right? Put me down back. You see how you got hold of my hand? Yeah. Keep hold of it. Now I'll put myself in a shoulder lock. Yeah, now I'll put myself in a shoulder lock. There. Okay, now to get out of that, I've got to try and come around this way, and I've now put myself in a new ladder. Okay, so now the only way to get out of that is to roll over. Then I'm going to come up, and then I'm here. You see, I'm wriggling, always thinking, twist, twist, turn, twist, twist. Yeah? Now at the same time, what I'm actually doing is I'm putting a leg lock almost. Now I can come up here. Twist. Alright? If I need to, I can push this up, and then just lie on that. What you need? Oh, yeah. Think. Keep your brain active. Alright?
Yeah, that's me.
No worries.